Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, playing along with 31 Days of Cutfiles. This is actually the Cutfile from day one. I'm very behind, but trying to get things done. I ironically did a lot of Cutfiles and just did the Cutfiles and just haven't recorded or finished the layouts. But using a bunch of distressed inks, we're doing prize ribbon, speckled egg. Wait, did I use prize? No, I didn't use prize ribbon. Ocean, salty ocean, chip sapphire. There's four of them because it's speckled egg and then salty ocean. Maybe I do prize ribbon and chip sapphire. Salty ocean. I think that's it. But wanting to add some color. So while I do that, I can kind of tell you what you just saw of the cut file. So the beautiful cut file was created by Janet and MK this month. Each week there was a theme the first 2 days, and I think the last 2 days are just backgrounds because they're not a full partial week, but they kind of have had a theme for each week. And I have an album going of my sister's family's Florida trip from last spring. And so I only have a few pages left, and I thought this would be a good one to use a cut file in. So I have just kind of like a kit for their whole album that is just a mixture of I think one Pink Fresh Studio collection, a bunch of Simple Stories collections, some Creative Memories, all beach like travel themed or very just summer themed. And so it's just a combination of things. So I backed it with some scraps that I had from a few of those different collections. And I didn't back all of it, only some of it. And then I did a kind of messy mats and torn paper behind 3 photos of my nieces posing behind in one of those like sandwich board things that have cutouts for your face, and just an ice cream shop they went to when they were in Florida. They went to Destin and had a blast, and she had so many photos, and I just started making pages about it, and I'm like, I'm making you a travel album. So I just used packaging technique with those distress oxides and tried to kind of burst out, since the cut file kind of has that look to it. There's it's kind of like a grid, but in paint swatch type spiral in a way. And since I didn't fill it all in, I wanted to add some color behind the cut file. And so I'm matting the whole thing on this piece from Creative Memories that looks like ocean water. I kinked it, and so I had to try and straighten it out. But anyway, ocean water on one, or waves on one side, and I just wanted a blue trim, and I really liked bringing the corally peachy pink colors in too. So I'm going to glue the photo mats to the cut file quick, and I'm going to pop the whole thing up on foam so that it stands off the mixed media better. And yeah, there's like one of the collections is Creative Memories, and it's specifically a beach theme. I'm trying to remember what it was called. Maybe some of you, I'm not as familiar with Creative Memories. I don't do a ton with Creative Memories, but this collection was super cute, and I had a friend selling it when I was at a retreat, so I snagged it. But yeah, a bunch of things from I think some things from a Paige Evans travel collection as well, just little doohickeys and such. So getting all that glued down, and now adding the fun bits. So adding this puffy sticker frame that I will cut up and separate later. These 3 stickers that say go see do, and they have little dotted arrows. That's from Simple Stories collection. And having them like point to the photos. This puffy travel often, which I think was a Paige Evans. I'm pretty sure it's Marion Crafts. It might be Vicky Bouton, I can't remember. And then there's like an ice cream cone stack. Just adding whatever little ice cream treats I have on like these sticker sheets. I have like 3 12x12 sticker sheets and some other sticker sheets. Just tons of stuff in this kit, which I'm not showing you any of it. So that's, apologize. I could shouldn't have shown you some of it, I guess. And then some word phrases. So then I'll have a little word phrase that just says memories up in the upper left, and then one in the bottom that says photo op, and it's in that like prize ribbon blue, really popping that out. And then some enamel dots I will bring in. Yeah, I think it's a couple some stories collections. Some enamel dots in really like prize ribbon type blue. Yeah, and I'm trying to think of anything else. No, I can't think of anything else specific that I'm doing that I need to tell you, except for these cut files are amazing. Make sure you check out everybody in the playlist I have linked down below. Hopefully we've figured out how to get me on the playlist. I've usually never had issues, but I've noticed YouTube has been way picky, like glitchier lately with their YouTube like playlist collaborations. Like I said, I've never had issues, and I'm having issues, so I don't know. And I know Janet and MK had mentioned stuff in some of their first videos as well, so hopefully I'll get on there and my videos will get on the collaboration playlist as well, and you'll see them there, and then you can just hit play all and watch all the videos on there. But I appreciate you watching so much. Hope you enjoyed, and we will see you soon. Here's some close-ups of the fun mixed media in the background and all the little details of the things that I added to the page. And we'll see you soon. Stay tuned for more. Bye.